Hello everyone. So we have already posted the base coating how we can do in the relief painting. So now I'll show you how we can do the cone and cone paste. Okay. So before going to start my video, requesting all please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications and new mail. So let's get started. So for making of the cones, you might be required for thin plastic papers. Okay, thin you can also use like oil covers or milk covers. Okay, milk packets will be there, no? So those also you can use it. So what I am doing, I have taken this milk packet. Here I am cutting the piece as much as I required. While you are making the cone, try to make it very small cone so that it should be come on handy, so that it will be easy for you to give any kind of design very properly you can give. Basically this cone will be designed for like we'll make for designing of outline on the board, so it's most important one. And also the paste will be a little bit of thin, as we are making for the same base coat. The same thickness of the paste we have to take for this cone. We will take the two kind of cones here. One is for outline and one is for filling. Filling little bit will be little bit thinner, and outline it little bit thicker. Okay, so here I am only making for the outline cone. So here once we make like this, I'll secure with the tape. It's so much easy. Packing covers also you can use, but still it is good. Only secure that the paste should not be come out. Okay, like this you need to make the cones. So here what I am doing now, see, if we make like this it will come. So here I'll start the making of paste here. Okay, so like this I'll do one or two cones here. Okay, fine. Now start the making of paste. Take the ball and measuring spoon. Here I am using the marble powder, 4 spoons of marble powder. I have made around 3 cones with this. Okay, 2 yeah, 3 spoons. And here I am using the Fevicol to mix it. Fevicol MR, 3 spoons marble powder and 3 spoons of Fevicol. It's not like exactly 3 spoons will be enough for making of the paste. Sometimes it might be required for you to extra also. Here 3 spoons of marble powder and 1 spoon of chalk powder. Chalk powder also I have mixed it. So cone will give you a very nice fine finishing, so that okay. So here I have given like this. Chalk powder also having yellow color and white color. Here I have used the white color. I haven't used any yellow colors, because while you are doing the Tanjore painting there might be required for a yellow color, but still I won't use in the Tanjore painting also. I'll use the same chalk powder. Okay, for clay mixing it's very important. Use the Fevicol exactly for the 3 or 4 spoons to make the thin paste like this. Mix it very well. You should not be having any lumps or any kind of dust or there. Mix it well. I'm using the same spoon for measuring also. Mix it very well. Okay, it should become as a very creamy kind of paste. Okay, it should look like a cream, heavy cream. It should be look like this. like this you need to make it. See here, there is no lumps, because while you are taking the branded marble powders and branded chalk powders and branded Fevicol, there won't be any dust, and you won't get any lumps there. Properly if you mix it, like this kind of mixture need to become. Okay, here I got it very smooth and very thin paste, like this we required. See here, flow is very nice, so you can use this same paste for the cone. So while you are filling the cone, remember that cone should not be filled completely. It should be 3/4 of the cone you need to, 3/4 or half part of the cone you need to fill it, because if you press it, the cone should not, the cream should not come outside. Okay, paste should not be come outside. So try to fill it 3/4 or half part of the cone. Okay, once you completed, fold it properly, secure it with the tape. That's it. So your cone is ready. So like this, if you want very flow kind of, if you want to be filling cones, then you need to be keep the little bit of water, very small, 1/2 spoon of the water you need to mix it, and again you need to fill the cone. Okay, that's it. So that's it guys, hope you people have loved this video. Please like, give a like button, and also share it in your community, somebody might be liked it. And the people who are seeing first time my channel, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications on your mail. I'll show you how we can work with these cones and all, everything I'll show you. This is the second part, first part already is there. I'll also keep in the description box, keep watching the first part also, how we need to make the base. Okay, so meet you with the next part. Bye bye.